Well, once again, here with Robert Cooper, the CEO of Plus ROI Online Marketing. How you doing today, Robert?
Good, thank you. Yeah, out in
Fantastic.
Halifax for a week.
Oh, excellent. So that's where you're broadcasting from. Well, I have a bit of a cold, Robert, so let's make sure you don't get it.
Absolutely.
I have been very busy lately with stuff, and I am using AI all the time. Oh my God. And just within the last 2 weeks, it sort of hit me how did I ever survive without this thing? I'm using it for so many parts of my business. And I know that you and I have had numerous chats now over the past several months around AI and around so many of the activities and events that you're doing. And today, we're going to highlight a big one, and that being a conference called the Prompt AI Conference. It's being held Thursday, November 20th 8 to 5 p.m. at the Victoria Conference Center. You are a sponsor. Are you a speaker?
Yeah, I'm doing a workshop on writing authentically with your own voice in AI, which I'm really looking forward to. And yeah, so far that topic and general presentation has been very well received. So yeah, I can't wait for that. I'm also yeah, lucky enough to be hosting a future of work panel
Uh-huh.
that has three people who have presented at our AI meetups, and they were all outstanding. So I can't wait to see them with their different perspectives, and they all have different perspectives on sort of where things are going and what work's going to look like in the coming era.
Oh my gosh, that will be fascinating, very interesting. Uh, because man, like I said, I am startled. You know what you need a panel on the guilty feeling that a business owner gets using this extraordinary tool and feeling guilty about it. Like I feel like I'm cheating. I feel like, I'll never hire an employee again. I bet you those things will come up in your panel.
Yeah, absolutely. And I mean, personally, I mean, it's where everything's going. So whether or not I like it is one question, but whether or not need to adopt it, no doubt on that front. And in fact, just to kind of get to a higher level too, that's kind of the whole reason for the conference is I've been partnering with my friend Steve at AI for Enterprise, doing the AI meetups, and Viatech approached us to help them with this conference. So it is a Viatech conference.
Hmm.
And then as well, the Victoria Data Society got on board. So they're doing a whole ton of the heavy lifting. But what it's made for is a really neat sort of group putting it together. And the real goal at Viatech is to help increase adoption in our regions so that our industry can stay competitive and stay out in front of where things are at. So yeah, to that end, I've got just a real range of speakers and options. We've got the main theater at the conference center, and then also two breakout rooms. So kind of the larger sessions are all in the main theater, and then concurrently there are different breakouts that are going to be happening throughout the day in the slightly smaller rooms. Like that's, for instance, where I'll be doing my workshop
Yeah.
in one of the breakout rooms. And yeah, it's for a first year event. I can't believe the depth and quality of the speakers that we managed to recruit.
Well, as folks can see, I've been pushing through the titles of the different sessions. I've been pushing through the URL, which to buy tickets. And so as we're talking, folks are also getting all of that. I hear tickets are selling quickly, so why don't we encourage everyone to get on board? Don't try not to be, last minute Victorians, and buy your tickets early. And as we
Yeah.
end, I'd like to say that you're also going to be presenting December 10th at the Sydney Breakfast Club out on the peninsula, which will be very exciting as well. So maybe you can give that crew a little bit of a sense of really the highlights of this conference.
Yeah, I can't wait. That'll be a lot of fun. It's always a good time at the Sydney Breakfast Club.
Absolutely. And this year um, we might even see Santa Claus. So who knows?
Fantastic.
Thank
Have you
you.
chatted with them?
Uh, I sure have. And I'm very excited about maybe showing up. So, Rob, thank you so much for this. And best of luck. I'm sure this will be a sold out conference and one in which we will do another one of these shows, reviewing the themes, the comments, the threads of activity. But honestly, what are we here? We're sort of a couple weeks before it. I bet you there'll be technology changes within this 2 weeks before we enter this conference.
Oh, absolutely. Every
Yeah,
day these days. It's crazy.
unbelievable. Take care. Thanks very much, Rob.
All right. Thanks very much, John.